stock markets, investment planning, mutual funds, wealth management, all of these things interest you? Do you want to make a successful career after your 12th standard and enjoy your learning in the 3 years degree program? Pursue this certification from Hinduja College in Mumbai, which is BCOM in Wealth Management, along with a certification called as Certified Financial Planner Certification. By pursuing this, at the end of 3 years, you will have two qualifications. One is your degree, which is a specialization in wealth management, plus an international qualification called as Certified Financial Planner Certification. In schools and colleges, you would have learned so many things which you're not even using practically today. But you're in BWM plus CFP, you are going to learn all those things that you will actually put to use in your practical life, like investments in stock markets, how exactly mutual funds are valued, advised, how exactly do you construct a financial plan, how is portfolio management done, and so many other things that will make you job ready in these 3 years. Industry experts have designed this session especially for people like you who are really interested to learn something about finance and make their career in the field of finance. So wait no more, book your seat in Hinduja College today for the BWM degree and inquire on the below link or the contact number to get all your questions resolved about the admission process, cut-off and anything else. All the best guys, and lastly, congratulations on your 12th result.